Look at this pile of snow. Yo, this is Tenzin Nisnat. I'm in New York City, so I wanted to showcase this blizzard happening. Currently the temperature is 31 and you can see a lot of snow dropping already. Perfect weather to play some snowball fight. I will show you some demonstration. W in the chat. As you can see, it's extremely cold. The weather is not weathering right. So these are basically uncut snow, really deep. How are they gonna come out of this area? In this hectic New York City,